fast lane, get out the way. Got an appointment, can't be late, no. Cause if you late, they make you pay. Pulling up outside, grinding in this truck like night and day. Booking low, back to back, I'm trying to get the pay. I know you see the Mississippi on my license plate. Running illegal, blowing scales, that's just how we rate. DOT, you gon' have to forgive me. Please don't come out the scale, please. Cause if you do, you try to shut me down. Pulling up outside. Bye, bye. Never on nine. State to state, place to place. Same shit, just a new day. New city, new state. Hauling the freight from June up to May. Coast to coast in J to CA. A long way. Hundreds of miles, try 28. Loading Colorado, August is hot. Think you can take it, I'm headed home. From that violation, I've been out 80 days. Sick standing up in pilot showers, I can't wait to pay. See my little daughter, I can't wait to play. Take all my flops and my joggers, get dirty fresh. I can't wait to slay. Tomorrow Friday, can't wait to get paid. Can't wait to add a rack to my stash. Run it up, I can't wait to save. Sick of the fountain, drink sandwich and lace. Want me some Hamburg steak, onions and peppers with the rice and rice shit. Down to now we break from 10 p.m. to 8. Pick up at 11, ain't no traffic, 7 miles away. Dog and chop my bitch like my town is back and I wait. Check out time at 2:23. I ain't traveling safe. Pulling up outside, grinding in this truck like night and day. Booking low, back to back, I'm trying to get the pay. I know you see the Mississippi on my license plate. Running illegal, blowing scales, that's just how we rate. DOT, you gon' have to forgive me.